This is a navigation video for our course. It is designed to model the way good course design should be. And even though you may be using a different course management system like Blackboard or Canvas, you should be able to pick up how to design based on how this course is designed. There are three areas, main areas to Moodle. There's a column over here, a column over here, and then a big one in the middle. Most of the work takes place in the big one in the middle. And as you go through the course, you'll notice it's divided up into learning units. The first area is a startup area giving you all the resources you need to get started in the course. And as you scroll down, you'll see Unit 1, Welcome to the World of Online Teaching and Learning. All the units are set up in the same way. These three are not available yet, and they will open on Saturday of each week. But the weekly summary, I want to show you, opens like this and has a list of the things that you will do each week. The beginning of the unit tells you what you will learn, and this area tells you what you will do, which is a really good model to set up for your students, and you'll learn more about that in the second unit of design. If you follow this as a guideline, this weekly summary will tell you what to do each week. So what you will notice is their weekly summary. Then underneath it, a unit checklist where you print that out. It's a Word file, and you can check off, if you choose to use it, you can check off when you have things done. It also has the rubrics for each assignment on it, which is helpful when you're actually doing the assignment to have it next to you to look at. In each of the units, you'll notice that the numbered items follow the weekly summary. The first one is the meet and greet check-in forum, and then there are learning modules or learning books in Moodle that you're going to go through page by page. Let me show you the first of the discussion forums. In the discussion forum, you're going to see that there is a complete description of what to do, including a rubric, and then you add a new topic. And when you add a new topic, this text box opens up under the description, and you just go ahead and type in the subject and the answer or the topic, and you post it to the forum. All of the text boxes in Moodle are similar. There are very few that are different, and once you learn one, you've got them down. If you'll notice, these are items that you're used to seeing in Word, and they mean exactly the same kind of thing. There's one thing I will tell you, however, when you write something either in the discussion forum or in an assignment, please be sure that you've done it first in a word processor so that you've thought out what you're going to write. The other reason you want to do that is so that you have saved your work. Even discussion forum posts are important for you to keep, and you should let your students know that too. If you're saving it, if something should happen, you have it locally on your own computer to refer to as a backup. If you're working in Word, you can go ahead and write it in Word, and then when you're ready to put it here, you can use the Paste from Word button and paste it in. So copy in Word, come over here, use the Paste from Word button, and paste it in. And when you're done, you're going to post or submit. Going back to the unit now, there's a Distance Ed Toolkit that is a book, and you're going to see that throughout the course you have many books, and they're actually where the content of the course takes place. A book consists of written information and also videos and some links to other things to check out. The books work by clicking on the arrow. You can go go to the next page by clicking on each arrow. You can also go back. Or if you've read some of it and left and come back, you can come back to any place that you left off by just clicking on the menu item here and go ahead and read through it and start from there. You will also notice that there are assignments. When you click on the assignment, you will get the instructions for exactly what to do in the assignment. Additionally, once you're finished reading the instructions, if it asks you to, you will post your response to the assignment in a blog post. Very, very easy to do. You add the new entry by clicking on New Blog Post, and voila, now you have a text box that looks exactly the same as the one you just saw. So you would write the response to your assignment there. You add a blog posting when you are finished by clicking Add Post. If you want to see a blog that's been completed, you can use this little activities box here. Click on the blog post and now you'll see it. You click on it here, and then you can add comments to your peers blog posting at this point. When you add a comment, you get the text box again. You go ahead and add your comment. And now you'll see when you go to the blog tool, there's the blog post. And when I click on it, I'm going to see it here, and I'm going to see the one comment by clicking there. You will be expected to comment on each other's blog posting. The comments there should not be like a conversation. They should be more about how did they do, what could be added, what did you like. Anything that you want to add or encourage or critique would be appropriate for a comment. Now let's take a look at some of the blocks that are on both sides of the meat of the course. Down here in Course Administration, if you want to know your grade, you can click on Grades. You can go to the profile setting, and by opening it up, you can change your password or edit your profile. You can do that up here as well. That's in the navigation area. Again, the activities have listing of all of the things that are in the course, and they're to be used after you've completed an assignment or to get back to something that you want to look at again. In the resources area, I'm not going to click there, but you'll see a listing of all the assignments and all the documents that are posted. So if you want something in particular in a hurry, you can go back there. The latest news is the announcements forum that I'll post for you, and you'll see that change, and you will also be able to see that in email that comes directly to you. There's a calendar you can use. In order to edit the calendar, you want to click on the month, and that will open it up and allow you to edit. Additionally, I'll be doing some tips in the glossary entry that will let you know when you should be thinking about things that you can do in the design of your own course. There's an email box. You can compose email to me or to anyone in the class in that way. And a place for messages down here, which if I have send a message to you, you'll see it when you open your course. That's about it. If you have any other questions, please post in the Q&A discussion forum. Which is right here. And when you click on it, you'll be able to add a new discussion topic and ask a question. I check this often, so that's the best place to get your questions out. And that's it. See you in the class.